Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this section, I'll be taking you through the Fermat theorem. Fermat theorem. So what's the Fermat theorem? Fermat theorem is a theorem in maximum and minimum values of a function. So what this theorem says is that if a function f of x has a local maximum or minimum at a point C, then C is a critical point of x. So it says if a function f of x has a local maximum or minimum at a point C, then it means that C is a critical point of f of x. Now, this statement is true, but its converse or in the opposite manner is not true. Why? Yes, if a function has a local maximum or minimum at C, meaning that if the minimum value or the maximum value of the function is happening at C, then C is indeed a critical point. But if C is a critical point, it doesn't mean that it's going to be the local maximum. Now, graphically, if I show this to you, I'll have something like this. Realize that this here will be the maximum, this will be the minimum. And at this point, it's a critical point because it will change in direction. So critical points are normally what? Minimum values or maximum values. Okay. So if I have the maximum here, it means that it's a critical point. If I have the minimum here, it means that it's a critical point. But if I generally have a critical point, you can't determine straight away that it is local or it is a global maximum or minimum without seeing the graphical nature or without comparing it to other outcomes. And that is what the thermal theorem is saying. So once I tell you that this, the minimum value of the function is 2, obviously you should know that 2 is a critical point. And that is how we apply thermal theorem in several applications. Once you hear that this is the maximum, you know that that maximum is a critical point. And that is all I have for you. Thank you for listening. See you in the next section.